Situated atop the Serra da Mantiqueira, approximately 200 kilometers from São Paulo, this house is nestled between a hillside and a stream in a dense forest. It is divided into two parts: a semi-buried platform which defines an inner courtyard surrounding the communal living areas and a suspended volume containing the bedrooms, perpendicular to the incline of the terrain. The contrast between the materials and construction techniques utilized in the volumes along with their opening enhances the perception of the landscape at its various scales. Between these two volumes, a large terrace featuring a swimming pool extends from a ramp that follows the original topography of the slope.